It's my pleasure to discuss with you the One with Nature World of Hunting and Nature exhibition to come next September, October 2021 in Budapest. I do represent the European Landowners Organization, and as you know, I'm the Secretary General of this organization, having a very large experience in agriculture and in nature conservation. In a nutshell, what is making ELO unique is that we have a commitment to a long-term vision of the land management. ELO is the largest network dedicated to the long-term sustainability of land management, and we have a very strong focus not only on private conservation but also on agriculture and on forestry. So our mission in the framework of the conference One with Nature is to raise and to enhance the profile of the private actors in favor of conservation. Those private actors are the countryside citizens, the countryside actors. They are landowners, farmers, hunters, foresters, all the people living and developing actions in the countryside. And we do believe they have to be part and a strong part of this conference. I wish you all the best for this huge conference, and I enjoy to be with you, and I invite you to come in September in Budapest. Thanks a lot.